Hi, my dear Tally users. This video is related to salary process. We have done some customization for the salary process. It's very simple. We have first we have to create employees. Okay, we have created some sample employees, the employees where I have entered basic details like number of days, basic pay per day, and OT per hours, and the Sunday pay means extra weekly of if they have worked the rate for that day. Okay, and the work status active. Active means that takes for salary calculation. If it is resigned or retired, it will ignore while taking the processing the salary at the end of the month. Okay, and this is master part. And when you come to transactions, you have three. One is advance salary and payroll salary process with salary payment. Okay, let's see how it works. Advance salary. First, you will make some advance salary. For example, I take for the month of May. Let me take for the month of May. Uh, so first, you have paid some advance. Okay, advance salary, and I will take all the three employees here. 5,000 for employee one, employee two, 3,000, employee three. Sorry, 3,000, and employee three, 2,000. Okay, that's it. Very simple entry. Enter. Okay. Now next is payroll. Okay. At the end of the month, we'll process salary 31st May 26. What you have to do is you have to just click on this employee autofill. That's it. Everything, all the fields filled automatically. You can see this, even advance what they had for the month. Okay. And what you have to enter is if they have any OTRs, enter it, and weekly off if they have worked, enter that, and if they have you can enter, otherwise ignore it. 00 for employee 3 I say 1 and 1, 1. Okay, it takes from the rate from the master, employee master. You can change it at any time. Okay, that's done. Very simple. Saved it. That is integrated with the WhatsApp. Okay, if you are going for WhatsApp this one integration, it will you have to pay some extra cost. So when you save this salary voucher, it will send the pay slips automatically to all the employees. Okay. If you want to see how the pay slip looks, you can see here pay slip. See employee one, all the details you have. Total days, number of days worked, OTRs, work days, Sundays means extra days worked, and all the earnings and deductions, and what is net salary payable. Okay, this is for employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, for all the employees. Okay, you can print or send through WhatsApp at one shot. Okay, it's very simple. And next you have to make the payment. For making payment also we have given auto calculation. Go to this report and the period for the month of May. Mm, So when you go to this, it will show all the details, whatever you have entered, like basic salary, OTRs, OT amount, number of days they pay, attendance, and basic salary. What is the gross salary? And net salary, paid amount, and balance. Now we'll make the payment. Okay. When you want to make the payment, normally you have to check each and every employee balance, and you have to enter it manually. Okay, while making the payment, and if the employee wants to check their balance, it's very difficult. Okay, so here it gives all the details in one screen. We have given one more screen, okay, where you will get clear picture of all the employees' salary. See what was the total salary, okay, and total employees and processed employees. I'll take for me. Nice. Six, 31st, okay, month May. Total employees 3, processed employees 3, and total salary, paid salary, this is advance, okay, and pending salary, and employee wise pending, okay. It's very simple, very useful screen, report for planning, okay. Salary, you can make the arrangements, fund arrangement with this report. And when you want to make the payment, just go to this, enter the months, and select all, control space, just enter on, just click on that. That's it. You can save directly. Or if you want to make the partial payment, for example, okay, 30, and you can change, you can enter these vouchers for any dates, okay, as per your wish. 11,000, for example, 10,000, 9,000. Okay, and that's it. Save it, and when you go to the pending salary dashboard, looks like this. Change the months. 1, 5, 1, 6. May. That's it. So it shows everything. Pending salary, employee was pending. Okay. So if you want to print the the bank transfer sheet for bank, you can go here, enter. It gives all the details. Export this to Excel and send it to the bank for the payment. Okay. And what is the employee ledger also you will get each employee. If an employee comes and asks the detail, you can give them here. 1, 5, 6. Gives all the details for, you can take the report of entire year also here. Okay, any report, this report, and any report, wherever you go, you can take the it is flexible, you can enter any period and take the report, get the report. Employee ledger, in employee ledger, what you will get, what is the advance salary paid, what is the date, month, and what is the salary when salary is processed, what was the gross salary, and what was the payment, and what is the balance. Okay, all the details. Very simple. With some few clicks, you can get a lot of report. Okay, uh, I hope it helps. And if you want this solution, you can contact me. This is customized solution. We have such lot of customized solution with us. You can contact me. I will give you the contact details in the description. I'll give you the website details also, where you can go and check all the customized modules. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.